Approach shoes, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, approach shoes. This term is commonly used in outdoor and sporting contexts, so understanding it can be very useful. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Approach shoes are a type of footwear designed for outdoor enthusiasts. They are a hybrid between hiking boots and rock climbing shoes. Their unique design allows for comfort during hikes and grip during climbing. This section will discuss the features that make approach shoes special, such as their sticky rubber soles and durable construction. The term approach in approach shoes refers to the act of getting to the base of a climb. Climbers need shoes that can handle the rough terrain of trails and provide stability on rocky surfaces. Here, we'll explore the historical background of approach shoes and how they became an essential gear for climbers and hikers. It's important to understand the difference between approach shoes and regular hiking boots. This section will compare their design, usage, and suitability for various outdoor activities. We'll see why approach shoes might be a better choice for certain terrains and activities. Beyond climbing and hiking, approach shoes have other uses. They are popular among outdoor photographers, birdwatchers, and trail runners. This versatility makes them a favorite among many outdoor enthusiasts. We'll discuss the various scenarios where approach shoes are the preferred footwear. Choosing the right pair of approach shoes can be challenging. In this section, we'll go over some tips on what to look for when buying approach shoes, like fit, grip, and durability. We'll also recommend some popular brands and models to help you make an informed decision. That's all for our guide on approach shoes. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand this unique type of footwear better. Whether you're an avid climber or just love outdoor adventures, approach shoes could be a great addition to your gear. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content.